नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम प्रणव मिश्रा है और आपका ऑफबीट गुरुकुल पे स्वागत है।
पानी हमारे जीवन का अमृत है और हमारा अस्तित्व इस पर निर्भर करता है, क्योंकि अबाउट 70% ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ वाटर एंड कोइंसिडेंटली मोर देन 70% ऑफ द अर्थ is covered by water.
So, for the proper functioning of the human body, adequate quantity of water is required. But drinking poor quality of water and in the wrong manner leads to many diseases like
Migraine, hair fall, arthritis, indigestion, and many more.
So how can one check the quality of water? The quality of water can be checked through the TDS level. TDS means total dissolved salts. It is the concentration of positive charged ions and negative charged ions in the water, and it provides us the general idea about the quality of water. आप सभी लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि TDS का लेवल होना कितना चाहिए. So according to WHO, if the TDS level of water is less than 300 mg per liter, then it's best. But it doesn't mean that if the TDS level of water is 50 mg per liter or 40 mg per liter, then it's good for health. No, it's not good for health. Practically, that water has zero calcium and magnesium intake, and it also has low intake of other essential elements and microelements. So to be precise, the TDS level of water should be between 100 to 300 mg per liter. आप सभी लोग यहाँ पे इस समय सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं आपको ये बात बता क्यों रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ पे मैं एक बात बोलना चाहूँगा. There was a time when for the whole town there used to be one doctor, and it was enough. And now every street has 5 doctors, and still it's not enough. This shows how we are living. Now we should move on forward. इंडिया में सबसे बड़ी मिथ है कि आपको पानी पीते रहना चाहिए, चाहे आपको प्यास लगी हो या ना लगी हो. अगर आपको फिट रहना है तो बस पानी पिए जाओ. ये बिल्कुल गलत है. Sometimes drinking excess water brings down the concentration of sodium in the blood level. According to me, one should drink water 10% more of his or her thirst. So now I'm going to discuss the wrong methods through which people are drinking water and inviting the major diseases to them. Number 1. Don't drink water too fast. Drink water slowly by taking small sips. Number 2. Drinking water immediately after a meal can cause you big trouble. You should drink water 40 minutes before and 50 minutes after the meal.
Because if you consume water before the meal, you are disturbing the fluid component by diluting what you eat, and by drinking water right after the meal results in overeating and indigestion.
Number 3. One should not drink water while standing, as it can cause you arthritis and your body will not absorb the nutrients of water. Number 4. Water having 4 degree temperature above the normal human body temperature and 4 degree temperature below the normal human body temperature is considered ideal for drinking water.
Because any substance which is very far from the body temperature will disturb the way the water within the system behaves.
Now I am going to give you one advice which would be very beneficial for you. Drinking water should be stored in the copper vessel, as it has immense benefits, as it can improve your immune system, aid digestion, decrease wound healing time, better digestion, and many more. Now I am going to tell you the basic steps that we should follow to increase our immunity. Number 1. The TDS level of water should be between 100 to 300 mg per liter. Number 2. You should drink water 40 minutes before and 50 minutes after the meal. Number 3. The water should be drunk while sitting and slowly. Number 4. Drinking water should be stored in the copper vessel. If you find this video informative, like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel, Offbeat Gurukul. Till then, be safe, be happy and help others. Thank you.